Hey everyone, today in the shop we have a 2022 Toyota Sienna hybrid. The customer went to the dealership to get it checked out. So the car doesn't start. And what the dealership said is that the problem is in the wiring harnesses after someone installed the fog lights. We only have one code. What it basically says is that there's a communication problem between the inverter and the hybrid control module. The hybrid control module is located right over here. What we're going to do is check the wiring between the hybrid control module and the inverter module. The dealership said that they don't know the exact location of the damage, but they were able to verify it using an ohmmeter. Here we have a perfect image of the connectors, one for the inverter and one for the hybrid control. We need to check these two wires over here for the hybrid control module, wire number 2 and 13. Also, we can see that these two wires go through a shield, and the shield is also connected to wire number 1. What we're going to do probably right now is check if any of these two wires are shorted to this shield. To check, we disconnected both modules and we connected a multimeter to pin 1 and 2. And as you can see, we have 10 ohms. Then I'm going to start trying to wiggle the wires at the firewall. And we're supposed to have OL, but as you can see, we have some resistance, meaning that we have a short. So when I move the wiring, sometimes it becomes perfect OL. What we're going to need to do now is disconnect and remove all the modules over here so we can reach the harness at the firewall and find where the short is. We moved the unit box away so we at least have some kind of access to the wires at the firewall. Still no damage seen yet. We also made some access under the hood over here. Now we're gonna try to at least pull this part back a bit so we can see where the damage is. We pulled the wires back and it looks like we found the problem. The problem is right here. So it looks like someone poked through this spot and created a short. We already confirmed that the problem is right here with an ohmmeter by looking at the value while we were shaking this and bending this part. We opened up the area where the damage was. Here are the two wires, black and white. Both wires are damaged, but mostly the black one. And the black one was definitely touching the shield, causing a short. To fix this, we're going to be using liquid electrical tape. Applied the liquid electrical tape. Now we need to wait at least 10-20 minutes for it to dry up. After that, we can put everything back. But also before that, we're going to check all of the spots just in case there's any more damage. We didn't find any more damage. We put everything back here. All we have left is to put everything back inside, connect everything, and then we're gonna try to start the car. We put everything back, cleared all the codes, and now the car starts. Ready is on, and all the lights are off. So there's no more problems. So that's it. That's all I have for you for today, and see you in the next video.